Wake up at 5 a.m., drink black coffee. No sugar, no comfort, work 18 hours. Sleep 4, repeat until your soul's gone. That's the new hustle culture. But let's call it what it is, slavery with extra steps. You've escaped the 9 to 5 just to trap yourself in a 24/7s. You think Elon is packing boxes at midnight? You think Bezos is answering calls for his side hustle? Hustle isn't wealth. Hustle is survival. Real money is in systems, in assets, and in freedom. And none of that comes from grinding like a broken machine. You were sold a dream that being busy is being successful, that if you suffer long enough, wealth will magically appear. No, it won't. The guy working 16 hours a day isn't rich. He's just exhausted. The ones who wins, they work smart. They build once, sell forever. They create systems, not stress, nor anxiety. Digital products, online courses, subscription models. You build it once and get paid on autopilot. That's the real thing. Grinding every day might get you money, but it won't buy you freedom. I run my business from my phone, no team, no stress. AI handles everything, whether it comes to business, automations, strategies, you name it. You will sell while you sleep. You will earn while you think. Work like a sniper, not like a soldier in the field. Passive income isn't a dream, it's a system. Build something that doesn't need you, and you win the game. You want real leverage? Build something virtual, code, content, courses, community. The internet lets you reach the world without touching a warehouse, without stocking inventory. You can be broke in your city and rich on the internet. One best idea, one high-ticket product, one systemized funnel, and your life changes. That's digital leverage. That's how you beat the matrix. Escape isn't just money, it's mobility. The ability to earn from anywhere, to control your time, to disappear when you want, and still make cash. You can build an empire from your bedroom. You don't need permission, you don't need funding. You need a skill, a laptop, and the mindset. That's the new power. Here's the formula to escape. 1. Pick a skill with leverage like copywriting, product creation, or video content. 2. Build something once, sell it forever. 3. Automate with AI. 4. Use systems, not suffering. The world rewards control, not chaos. Hustle if you must, but build to escape, or be another burnt-out name on a motivational meme. Don't hustle to die tired. Hustle to buy freedom. If you want the exact blueprint, not fluff, not theory. Now, if you're done chasing and ready to build something real, you'll never look at business the same way again. And if you're serious about escaping the hustle trap, then you need to watch my last video. Go watch it now before you stay broke another year. Scale fast, escape the trap, build your empire the right way. Hit that subscribe button, work smart. This is Valtrix Empire, where vision becomes dominance.